Hey, my name is Smiley Nunez. I'm originally from New York City and my family's from the Dominican Republic. I'm a musician, an artist, a dancer, a lover, and many more things. I just finished attending a 3-day workshop at Hridaya, a 3-day workshop titled Awakened Masculinity. And during these 3 days, I was learning about the masculine energy and what masculinity means, but more so, I was learning about brotherhood and how to connect with men. On a very personal level, to be totally brutally honest, in the beginning there was resistance. And there was resistance because in the room, I was one of the only, pretty much the only I would say, but one of the only men of color, black men, and this is always a big sticking point for me. It brings up some trauma, some triggers. But what was very beautiful is that once I was able to settle into the room and get to hear the other men speak, I was able to understand that I was in a safe space and that these men were there to hold me. And I was able to feel that because it was facilitated extremely beautifully by Ori as well as Cloud. So that's one aspect, but a different aspect is that what came really alive for me was an understanding that I judge. I'm a judgmental person, and in my masculine, but really in me being a human being, this is something that I need to get over, that I need to transcend, because it's a nastiness that lives inside of me which doesn't allow me to have pure and real interactions with other people, and more so with other men. So for me in these 3 days, I've just realized like this nastiness, this judgment, it's something that I'm letting go of. It's something that doesn't serve me and I'm burning away. For me, the most beautiful experience that I had during this workshop was being able to be in a room with men who were in their process doing the work that they needed to overcome whatever things are in their lives which challenge them. Because I think the biggest reason why I signed up for this course is because I knew that I didn't have a lot of male friends in my life. And I felt that this came because I had a bad view of men in general, in totality. And so to be able to be in a room with other men who were working through their stuff, that just opened up my eyes to the beauty of these men, and that I don't need to judge, I just need to connect. Yes, being in this room with these men, in the end, for me, there was a disillusion. Like, I know that this was a workshop about masculinity and the masculine energy, but at the end, what I saw were beings, human beings that come into a space with conditioning and are working to get rid and detach from those conditionings. So I just saw brothers, I just saw men, I just saw human beings that were working to make themselves better people. And that's why I'm in that room. And that's why I felt connected to them.